What's up, guys? Today we have my dog. Walking in. Oh, yes, a GF4. A GF4 here. Sorry, camera's kind of cracking. GF4 that walks in. So we're going inside and go. There's some stuff on. When it's snowing out, obviously. Oh my god, it's a stupid camera. Come on, that ball. Drop the ball, you dumb. Okay, one check, guys. We got to go. Let us okay now. Drop the ball. Drop the ball. One side. Okay. Just to put in the camera. Wait. Check, guys. Let me do something. Do you like my shirt? Oh shit, not good at all. Okay, one shit right there. Here I am, guys. Let's go have some fun outside. Let's go and run. Okay. So you're gonna see a chopper with the snow. Plus you're gonna see the snow with that guy. You gotta touch some snow. You like to touch snow. I know you like to touch snow, my guy. One, I just fell. My skateboard! Where are we? We are die, guys. Oh shit, it's not good. I just got snow in my pants. Not good at all. I don't fucking wear my snow pants. I'm totally not this guys. Totally. Here's my skateboard. We are gonna get new now. What's up? I gotta shake this thing. Here we go. Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. Before we do it, hit the white button and subscribe. And you guys will get 1,000,000 candies and cookies. And you guys will get first person view. And I'm gonna crash for you guys. So you guys can be entertained and subscribe. Here we go. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh shit, that's good. That was fun. Okay guys, here we go. We are gonna go sliding again. And hopefully not die this time. Okay. Get all the snow off. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Okay guys, I wanted to see my address. There you go. Here we go. First person view again for you guys. Oh shit, that's good. Oh, you guys are there. Oh shit, that's good. That's fun. What's up, guys? Guys, we're gonna go Betty on this one. Go Betty, like go Betty. Blocky the turtle pool. First person again for you guys. What's up? I don't know if I'll be able to really flop this. I don't know. First person again. I'll belly flop it. God dang. That stuff was crazy. My GoPro, I kind of lost the little thing for like the stand and the thing to hold it in place. So I kind of just used a screw that's not holding it. That's holding the stand. That's holding it in the stand, but not. But it stays moving. Well, no, well, it doesn't move. So I can literally do this. Yeah, I can do that. Okay, I'm gonna actually try to really put this one. Here we go. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! That was fun, guys. What's that? I'm gonna put it like that and then I'm like that. Whee! God damn it. Feet up! Okay, here we go. I'm gonna belly flop this one. First person? No. Actually, yeah, first person again. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh god damn. God damn, guys. Fucking look. Oh shit! I think it fell on me. Fuck you. I tripped it. Hey guys, you should send me fan mail. I know potatoes. Fucking send me whatever you want. We don't like it. Shit. Okay, what's up? Here we go. We're not gonna build out this one. Guys, we're gonna get first person again. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit, man! Oh, damn. The camera went the other way. I tried to fix it, and I fell. I fell. I'm gonna get third person, not first person this time. It's gonna be no goddamn. I'm not going back. I wanna go on my knees. Here we go. Whoop! Oh shit! Oh shit! God damn, guys. Hey guys, so I'm gonna do one more. Hopefully it's gonna be a good one. Hopefully it will. And then I'm gonna watch you guys up in the moon. Got me? You guys gonna go up in the moon. Yeah. Hey guys, comment down below in the comments if we have snow or not. Because if we don't have snow, we just fucking need to go to a place that has snow. Here we go. First person. I would have tipped this shit hard. Oh shit. I think I did. God damn it. Okay. You know what I fucking did? I had to. I'm trying to repeat that in slow motion. But what I fucking did, I fucking had it. God damn my nose. I had it. I had a thing here. Oh, right here. I fucking like went like right here, and I went down. I'm gonna do it. Like when I went down, I'm going down right now. I'm fucking like I can't do it right now, but I just like this thing is tipped on top of me. Hey guys, see them one time. 3, 2, 1. I see the moon. Now you did it. I got you. One more time. This video's gonna end. I want to go really high this time. My GoPro almost fell out of the case. God damn it. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys see another banger. Please like and subscribe, comment. Have a good rest of your day, life. Amen, guys.